Good morning friends, this is a small talk regarding the eye donation. What is the need for eye donation? About 39 million people are corneal blind worldwide, and among them 3 million, that is 30 lakhs, are corneal blind in India, and that is 1 in every 1,000 children born are blind. And a brief insight into the corneal blind is what is the cornea? Cornea is a transparent tissue covering the outer part of the eye, which gives vision about 70% to the eye. And there are some facts about the corneal blindness. Are light enters the eye through the cornea and is thrown onto the retina, which gives the sight. And there are some diseases in which the cornea gets affected, such as vitamin A deficiency, injury, corneal ulcer, and congenital disorders like birth defects. Then cornea donated will be transplanted. In such cases, give the vision to the needy people. And who can all donate the eyes? All the persons with a cataract, glaucoma, refractive errors, or corneal ulcers, all those people will be needing. And vitamin A deficiency, injury, corneal ulcer, congenital disorders are the people will get affected with the corneal disorders. So these all people will be needed with the cornea. And now, as per now, around 50,000 corneas are retrieved per year in India, according to Vision 2020. And the needed corneal donors are around 2 lakhs per year, which is around 3/4 of the population needed. So there is a scarcity of the donors, and more people are in need. And in the cases of corona times, as per now, there is much more requirements of the corneal tissue to be donated. What are some brief information about the eye donation are? Eyes can be donated only after death. It's not donated while the person is alive. Do not bury or burn the eyes, but donate them. 30 lakh people or 3 million people are corneal blind in our country, who are waiting for somebody else to donate their eyes. One pair of eyes can give vision to the 2 corneal blind individuals. Eyes should be donated preferably within 6 hours after death. That is in cooler climates like Bangalore. It can be extended to 8 to 10 hours more. Removal of the eyes takes only 20 minutes and doesn't disfigure the face. So there is a taboo in many people that it will cause a disfigurement of the face when their eyes are donated, but it's not so. Our enucleation team will reach the place within 30 to 40 minutes, wherever it is in India. If you will call the eye bank, the people of enucleation team will arrive the spot at around 30 to 40 minutes. Within that time, the viability of the cornea will be there. So the donor eyes can be collected at the hospital or residence or mortuary, and can be taken through the medium which the preservatives are added, and we can collect the eyes in Bangalore city metropolitan limits only, as per Prabha Eye Clinic. But if you come across a death, please gently explain to the patient's relatives to console them and to donate their eyes for a needy person. And call the nearest eye bank for assistance. All the eyes can be donated irrespective of the person is having diabetes or hypertension or cataract or asthma or glaucoma or any refractive errors as usual. But the eyes pledging is not essential for the eye donation, but the relatives of the donor should give the consent at the time of eye donation. Our eye bank works 24 hours through 365 days in a year, and do not bury or burn the eyes. The conclusion part is pass it on when you are done with it. There is always someone who are waiting. Let's make the world a better place for the blind. Thank you.